you are my viewers, so I will tell you the best one. Total 2 navbars using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Simply come here and create a new file with the name of 3.html. After naming it, create here the doc type and two type of navbar. So if anybody hasn't subscribed my channel, so don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. After writing style, we will write here what? First of all, dot nav. In dot nav, there will be only of one anchor with an hash and writing here the home. After home, there will be about and then there will be contact. If I write like contact and then if I go live from here like this, now here you can see it's looking like this. So I will write here dot nav and I will write here body. Body margin 0, padding 0, like this. And first of all, dot nav will be got and background color of gray, like this, with an padding of 20 pixels and with an box shadow of 1 pixel by 1 pixels and one more 1 pixels, and that is going to be black. There we go. And then now what we will add, we will write here what? Dot nav anchor tags font size is going to be 20 pixels. So after doing that, not that will be 16 pixels, and then after that we will write a font family that will be an basic Arial one, like this. Add here the margin of 10 pixels and add here the color white, like this, and then add here the text decoration none, like this. So I will give you a simple custom technique that if you are creating a website, so you have to give the color of your text with the background of your website. So after doing that, we will give here and background black and add here and padding of 20 pixels, like this, and finish the background color and add here and basic transition of 900 milliseconds. After that, write here dot nav anchor hover. There will be the background color hover that will be black, like this. And we can add here what? Margin left 20 pixels and the both right 2, like this, looking pretty. And that was the number 1 search bar. So now we will create number 2 search bar. How we will create? We will name .nav1. They will, in that one we will get a little bit different changes. First of all, we will create here an anchor tag hash home contact about, like this. Now what I will do, I will write a word in the styling sheet .nav1 background black, like this, padding 20 pixels, like this, and there will be a color that will be opposite of what? Wait, first of all, we need a new one. So what we will do, I will show you. Like, first of all, the anchor tags. We have to do one more thing. That our anchor, first of all, we have to style .nav1. After doing this, we will add here like this is alright. So I will write .nav1 anchor tags. First of all, color yellow. Note, I will not write here, I will write here what? Only the margin 10 pixels, and there will be the text decoration none. Note, the text decoration will be not none, only there will be a margin 10 pixels. If what we will do, I will write here .nav1 anchor tags. What the anchor tags, and write here hover. The color is going to be automatically yellow when we hover, and there will be the text decoration none and font size 16 pixels. Now it's look like this. And there will be what? The margin left of 200 pixels. Let's go there. So for that we will add a what font family sans serif. So it's going there. So we will add a one more property, that will be what? In .nav transition. So what is the use of transition? The use of transition is when we click it, so that will be go slowly. You can say like this. So that was the Navbar number 2. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new content. So take care and Allah Hafiz.